Hi guys, my name is Gabriella Venezia. Today I'm going to be showing you how to play Galaxia or Galaxian. I'm not quite sure if I'm saying that right, but hopefully I'm somewhat close. Anyways, so this game is provided on Atari 2600, the game console. Basically down here, it seems like it's replicating how the game would look as if you were plugging it into your TV or playing it from the console itself. So basically right here is the power on and off. So it'll turn off the game and then you just turn it on, and then it does a little demo version of it while I'm not playing. Basically you can change the color. That's black and white and then color, so it's not changing, but you have the option to do that. Game select basically restarts it and puts it in a demo mode before playing. So if I do game reset, that means I'm actually starting my game. So to play this game, you're going to move with the arrows, move with the left and right arrows, and then the space bar you're going to want to use to shoot at the space, I guess you can call them spaceships. The whole object is to not get shot at with their bullets, and you want to shoot them as they are coming for you. Ooh, that was a close one. Wow, I'm surprised it reacted that quickly. Honestly, sometimes when it gets that close, you're either really close to dying, or the computer will just automatically do it just because of how close you are to the other spaceship. At least that's what I noticed while playing. So the company that developed this game was in Japan. The developer was Namco. I'm sorry, I really cannot pronounce names well. But it was developed in Japan in October 1979. Wow, seems like so long ago. Oh no, oh no. Okay, so there's an example of dying. So your lifeline's over here in the corner. So I have 2 lives. Yeah, I have 2 lives left now. So this is my second life. I mean, you don't have to shoot the one that's coming at you, but I mean, I'm pretty sure you get more points for shooting the ones that come at you. So sometimes I press a space bar and there's like a delay. Ooh. So like I was shooting now, and that one actually worked because I said something. But the game was brought to North America by mid-December of 1979, so not too far off from when the game first came out. It was highly popular. It was a highly popular game when it was released. Sorry, I'm trying to multitask here. It was highly popular when it was released. There is a sequel that's known as Galaga. I believe I'm saying that one right. Which was also developed by Atari, or can be played on the Atari console, excuse me. What was really popular about this game is that it had the color screening. So where you see down here where it says black or white or color, I guess it depended on the TV you had at the time. So you could play it in color, unlike Space Invaders. Space Invaders was in black and white. Also, I did some additional research on the game about consoles that you can play on, and oh, well, my bad. I didn't mean to do that. But there could be other consoles you could play this one on, besides Atari 2600. Also, it's so crazy because growing up, my parents got us the PlayStation 1, and I'm pretty sure it's mainly for my dad because we were like young. I was maybe like 7 when PlayStation 1 came out, or at least that's when we got it. My sisters and I used to play on the PlayStation 2 all the time, and we actually had this game And it had like all of the old games like Dig Dug, Mr. and Mrs. Pac-Man, and Galaga. And it's just so crazy that this is like the original version of the game compared to how it is now, because now, or the game that I played on the PlayStation 2, which I'm sure is similar to the ones that they have out now for the game, the spaceships are actually flying, and they're flying towards the ones that are coming after you. And this one's just kind of staying at the bottom. I mean, I guess it's kind of like moving because the screen's moving a little bit, but not entirely. And the other spaceships would like go in circles and stuff like that. So it made it a little bit more challenging than what this one is. But hey, this would do for me at the time. So let's try and get this guy. If my computer doesn't delay too much on me, or the game. Yeah, I got it. Alright. So that's the first game. So basically it'll just go to another one, reload them, and the level intensifies. As you can see, 3 of them are flying at me, 2 of them at once. Boom. So basically this is how you play Galaxian. I think that's how you say it. I'm really sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. I'm just going to pause the game right there. And I hope you enjoyed watching me play Galaxian. And I think you should definitely try and play it because, you know, it's pretty cool and it's kind of fun. So, thank you guys.